Girls like dolls, so boys can't. This binary is reinforced even when it's being rejected. So we'll say something like, Susie's not like the other girls because Susie likes trucks. Before we learn to speak, on some level we already know what it means to talk like a boy or to sound feminine, to embody our gender in our voices. But what happens if somebody doesn't fit into this gender binary, into these boxes labeled man and woman? This person, a non-binary person, is still living in the same world, they're still being taught the same rules, and they're still getting their Christmas presents from the pink aisle or the blue aisle. How does a non-binary person act and speak like a non-binary person when all of the rules are about men and women? That's my research question, and the answer, I think, is mixed signals. When you only have two options, you can combine them to create something new, the way you can take blue and pink and make purple. So for example, we're taught that mustaches are male and that dresses are female, even though we do know that women can have mustaches and men can wear dresses. But we can imagine that someone with both a mustache and a dress might be sending a mixed signal. These mixed signals exist within language too. So let's say I'm non-binary and I'm speaking to somebody who assumes that I'm a man. I know from my experiences that a higher pitch and a wider pitch range is seen as more feminine, so I may try changing my voice in that way. If, however, the person assumes that I'm a woman, I may drop my pitch, reduce that range, and attempt to speak more flatly. Both of these strategies represent a mixed signal, a kind of middle ground based on subverting somebody's expectations about gender and language. So I'm studying these mixed signals by creating what's called a corpus, a database of speech. I found non-binary people, and I've recorded them in a variety of everyday conversations. We've also had one-on-one interviews where I've asked them about their experience of gender, their history, and some of the strategies they have in presenting a non-binary identity. My PhD research is a combined study of these narratives and insights together with an acoustic analysis of the specific sounds and variation within their speech, like pitch. I'm studying this because everything is a signal. Everything that we do is a way to present ourselves to the world, to say this is who I am. For non-binary people, mixed signals represent a strategy of unboxing their gender from the binary, of using the tools they have available to them to say, no, I'm not that, or that, I'm me. Thank you.